If you are experiencing the issue where a spinning blue circle constantly appears next to your mouse pointer, there is a straightforward solution you can try within Windows settings. First, open the Windows search bar. In the search bar, type pointer, and then select the option that says Change Pointer Display or Speed. This will open the Mouse Properties window. Once the Mouse Properties window is open, navigate to the Pointers tab. Here, you will see a selection of pointer schemes. If your current scheme is set to something like an animation or working in background, you are likely to encounter the spinning blue wheel. To resolve this, select the Normal Select option from the Scheme drop-down menu. After selecting Normal Select, click on the Apply button, and then click on OK to save your changes. This action should immediately stop the spinning blue circle from appearing. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.